All right, let's talk about some other movers that we are watching right now. Another price change for Tesla. The EV maker has now added lower cost options for its Model X and Model S cars, now $10,000 less than the previous base prices. And this comes after Tesla made previous price cuts in China earlier this week. The shares were down about 1% in pre-market. They were down about 1% when I looked 2 minutes ago at how they were doing, but now they're only down about 0.4%, which reflects that investors, this is not a big part of their sales. These two models only accounted for about 3.4% of their sales, I believe, last quarter. And so this is not a huge thing. It's just more directional here that we have these continuing to push lower.
Yeah, these were two of the models that, of course, really pushed the luxury EV play for Tesla and how they wanted to position themselves and really differentiate their offering when they had first kind of come on the scene within this electric vehicle manufacturing, production, and kind of gathering the mind share of consumer about how electric vehicles could be sexy, could be luxury. But now with more of the markets, the mass market Model 3 and the Model Y as well, that takes up the vast and superior, far superior majority of production and deliveries. You were looking at most recently some of the delivery and production numbers that had come out over in July, so earlier this summer here, but they produced nearly 480,000 vehicles, delivered over 466,000 vehicles in totality. For the S and the X, they only represented about 20,000 of those, and that's being generous.
I mean, these are higher margins, so that's the only thing when you look at the prices going down. That means the margins are going to be squeezed a little bit.
Yeah.